Hi children, I'm back with exercise 5.2 and here you can see we are going to talk about the pie chart. Okay, now our first question under exercise 5.2 is a survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city, and adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. Okay, and here you can see that light music 40% of the people love to hear. Out of the complete total survey, 40% of them love to hear light music, then 30% folk, then classical 10% and semi-classical 20%. Is that clear? And as I told you, if you add up these percentages, what's going to be the total percent? 20 plus 10 plus 30 plus 40 is going to be how much? It's going to be 100%. So total is going to be 100, as I've added, and you can see it. 20 plus 10 plus 30 plus 40 gives you 100%. Let's see the first question from this pie chart. Answer the following question. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Okay, number of people, percentage नहीं लिखा है यहाँ पे, number is given to you. Number of people liked classical music 20, and so we have to find out how many young people were surveyed. We have to find out the total number of people surveyed. And how will you get the total number? People liked classical music is given to you in percentage. So which are the two groups you are going to take? You are going to take two groups, that is percentage and number of people. Okay, so and that will make your calculation easy. In the question it is given 20 people. So 20 people, how many percentage? Classical 10%. Okay, so 10% के सामने 20 people आया. अभी आपको फाइंड करना है how many young people were surveyed. So you have to find out the number of people against ये हुआ total number of people. तो total number of people के सामने कितना percentage लगेगा? 12%, that is 100%. Yes, total percent is what? 100. So you will write here 100. If it is 100%, then what will be the number of people? Got this clear? 10%, 20 people. Then 100%, what's going to be the number of people? Cross multiplication. So young people, what is going to be the statement? Total number of young people surveyed is equal to 100 multiplied by 20 divided by 10. Okay, so here we go. Very simple, 0 0 कर और 10 2s are 20 and 100 multiplied by 2 gives you 200. So this is your answer. 200 young people were surveyed. Clear? So this is your answer. This is how you will find out. Do the calculation. You have to show this calculation under the question and write down the answer. Is that clear? You can see here. See, this is how you will answer your question. Now we move on to the second question. Find the central angle of each sector. Sorry, we are doing the first one. Sorry. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Which type of music? So you have to check the percentage and that will tell you. Here you can see light music is favorite of or liked by maximum number of people because you can compare the percentage. 40% of the people surveyed likes light music. So you will answer here light music. Your answer to the second question is light music. Okay, and the third question, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? How to calculate this? 1000 CDs totally they are going to, a CD company is going to prepare, and how will you distribute this number of CDs prepared for each category? For that you only have the percentage with you of each type. सेमी क्लासिकल के लिए परसेंटेज क्या दिया गया आपके पास 20 है फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो टोटल सीडीज़ कितने बनेंगे 1000 सीडीज़, राइट. तो हमेशा याद रखिए टोटल नंबर, वी डोंट हैव द नंबर ऑफ द पीपल सर्वेड बट वी हैव 100% विथ अस. तो उसके हिसाब से हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, राइट. तो हम परसेंटेज के सामने सीडीज़ लेंगे. वी विल टेक 100%, then 1000 CDs, right? And how many CDs will be prepared of semi-classical? That will be based on the percentage of semi-classical, 20%. So 20% of young people are listening to semi-classical. So number of CDs will be prepared based on that percentage. So we'll make two groups, CDs and percentage. Right? Not necessary that you have to write like this. You can write percentage and CDs also, but the numbers which you write under that group has to be proper. 100% 1000 CDs, 20%, then what will be the number of CDs? So number of CDs for semi-classical, cross multiply 1000 multiplied by 20 divided by 100, 0 0 got cancelled, 10 multiplied by 20 gives you 200 CDs. How many CDs? 200 CDs will be of semi-classical. Similarly, we will go for classical and see percentage. CDs we have taken for classical 10%. So 10 multiplied by 1000 divided by total percentage, and on cancellation you get 100 CDs. Likewise, move on for the folk music. 30%, so 30 multiplied by 1000 divided by 100, 300 CDs. And finally light music, 40 multiplied by 1000 divided by 100, you get 400 CDs. So this is how, and if I sit to total these number of CDs, then you will get 1000. 400 plus 300 gives you 700, 700 plus 100 gives you 800, and 800 plus 200 of the semi-classical gives you 1000. So this is how you can confirm your answer, tell your answer. And so we completed question number, answering the question number 1. where pie chart is given to you and you have to answer the question based on that pie chart. Okay, now finally we move on to the question number 2, where pictograph is given to you and based on that you have to prepare a pie chart. Okay, have a look at the pictograph properly. 3 seasons: summer, rainy and winter. Okay, और उसके साथ आपको दिया गया है votes, number of votes 90, 120, 150, and the question given here is a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season. On adding this number of votes you should get 360. Yes, आप प्लस करके देख लो. 0 0 0, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 9 16, 6 नीचे, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. 360 people total people surveyed और उन्होंने वोट दिया है 90 वोट फॉर समर, 120 रेनी सीजन और 150 winter. First question to be answered: which season got the most votes? 150 दिख रहा है आपको maximum. Winter. So answer for this question is winter. Find the central angle of each sector. तो आपको टेबल बनाना है. You have number of votes of for each season. Based on that you have to go for the fractions and then central angle. और फिर the third question is draw a pie chart to show this information. Central angle मिल जाने के बाद आपको pie chart draw करना है. Okay, so here we go. First we will prepare the table where 2 more columns will be added, one of fractions and the other one of the central angle. और फिर उस central angle को लेके हम पाई चार्ट ड्रॉ करेंगे, जिसमें आपको आपके पास ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स होना ज़रूरी है, जिसमें से आप प्रोट्रैक्टर यूज़ करोगे और कंपास यूज़ करोगे. कंपास मतलब द राउंडर इन योर वर्ड्स. कंपास यूज़ करके आप सर्कल ड्रॉ करोगे कोई एक सूटेबल रेडियस लेके, और उसके बाद आपको विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोट्रैक्टर एंड स्केल यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द डिफरेंट एंगल्स. ओके, चलो तो हम टेबल पहले प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं. बेस्ड ऑन दिस पिक्टोग्राफ आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ टेबल. हियर यू कैन सी. ओके, सीजन, number of votes, fractions, central angle. This is the table which you have to prepare for the second question. This is an answer to the second question. Number of votes you have in the textbook 90 summer. So here you will write number of votes 90 votes for summer, 120 votes for monsoon or rainy season, and 150 for winter. And the total here you have 360 voters. Okay, total 360. Clear? Now we will prepare fractions. The next column is about fraction and we will prepare fraction. For calculating the fractions we will go for 90 upon 360. We will go for the votes of each season divided by total. Now here the total which you have got 360, it is equal to the central angle. When you are converting central angle, when you are calculating central angle, there also for degree you are using 360. Don't get confused. This total is different from the 360 degree you are taking over here for calculating central angle from the given, from the obtained fractions. Okay, so the total may be different, but here coincidentally you have total 360 which is equal to the angle total degree 360. Okay, so now we begin calculating the fractions. 90 divided by the total 360. Calculate it. 0 0. If you want, you can calculate here, or you can do rough calculation down and write down the final answer over here. So 9 goes here, 4s are 1 upon 4. 120 divided by 360. Cancellation. 0 0 gone. 12 1s are and 12 3s are. So 1 upon 3. Finally 150 divided by 360. 0 0 gone. We can do the calculation here. 15 upon 36. 3 5s are 15 and 3 goes here. If you divide 36 by 3, it's 12s. Okay, so 3 3 gone, and what do you have? 5 by 12. Okay, so here we write 5 by 12. Okay, so now the fractions which we have 1 upon 4 for summer, 1 upon 3 for rainy season, and 5 by 12 for winter. Now we are going to convert these fractions into central angle, where you will multiply the fractions with 360, because in a pie chart the complete angle is 360 degree. Is that clear? So 1 upon 4 multiplied by 360. What will be the answer? You divide and find out. Like this you will divide. Divided by 4. 4 9s are 36. Bring down 0. 4 zeros are 0. Answer is 90 degree. Okay, abhi we'll move on with this. 1 upon 3 multiplied by 360, तो क्या मिलेगा? 120 डिग्री. सी ये कोइंसिडेंस है कि यहाँ पे टोटल आपको 360 मिला, और यहाँ पे आपके डिग्रीज कंप्लीट एंगल इज़ ऑल्सो टोटल एंगल इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 360. इसलिए आपको नंबर ऑफ वोट्स और जो सेंट्रल एंगल मिल रहा है वो सेम मिल रही है. यू आर गेटिंग सेम, बट एवरी टाइम इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी द सेम. हियर एज द टोटल एंड द एंगल, टोटल डिग्री वी आर टेकिंग 360, बोथ आर सेम. ये तो हमेशा जब एंगल में कन्वर्ट करोगे 360 डिग्री लेना ही है, बट जो चेंजेस आएंगे वो है यहाँ पे. Here coincidentally you have got 360, so this and this you are going to get same. Okay. For other sums, please don't write same. It's going to be different. It will depend on the total which you are getting. When you add up this, whatever the total is, based on that you will get the degree. Understood? So now 5 by 12 multiplied by 360, you will get 150. Next 12 you will get 30s, and your answer is going to be 150 degree. चलो अब हम उसको प्लॉट करेंगे. And one thing I would like to tell you, as you have purchased a graph book where you have so many pages, you will do exercise 5.1 in the graph book, and even in the left out pages you will do exercise 2. That is, you will do it in the graph book itself. You need not do this pie charts or this exercise 5.2 in your maths classwork notebook, but you will continue to do in the graph book. Let's draw the pie chart now. To begin with the pie chart, we require a compass, a pencil and a protractor. Okay, of course you require eraser. If you make mistake, you can erase it out, and if you can draw line with the protractor, it's okay, otherwise you need a scale also. Okay, taking any radius, suitable radius, you draw a circle with the help of compass. Any radius, I am repeating it, you draw a circle like this. हो गया, हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया सर्कल. ओके, अभी ये जो सेंटर है, फ्रॉम दिस सेंटर I will draw base, that is the radius from where we have to start plotting the points of the angle. Okay, a straight line from the center. Mind that you don't make mistake. ये हुआ आपका radius. Right, now the first angle is 90 degree. Place the protractor properly like this. Point of the protractor should be on the center of the circle. और फिर ले लो, यहाँ से ज़ीरो से शुरू करो. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90 here. Right, and roughly you just put a mark, that is somewhere light width, so that finally while you are writing with pen you don't make a mistake. Okay, तो आप इसको जोड़ोगे ऐसे like this, but you will not extend the line beyond the सर्कल. सिर्फ जोड़ने के लिए you will, okay, this is how, right, ये हुआ summer. Now you can write with pen 90%. and votes 90. हो गए. अभी इसको बेस बनाओ. Now make this as base like this. Next angle is 120 degree. So starting from here, remember the line is this side, so 0 you will start from here. Another degrees are there 180, but you don't start from bigger numbers, you start from 0 always. So 0 line इस तरफ है, इसलिए 0 यहाँ से नीचे का लोगे और हो गए हम 120 तक जाएंगे. 120 is here. Okay, right, got it. स्केल यूज़ करना है तो करिए, नहीं तो फिर the base of the protector is enough to join the center with the line. Abhi, as I told you, you don't extend the line beyond the circle. Leave it here and see that it, if you extend it, it connects the point. ये हुआ rainy season 120. और बाकी बचे 150. जस्ट चेक आउट वेदर इट्स 150 और नॉट. देख लेते हैं. चलो अभी यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. देख लो ऐसे शुरू करते हैं तो 0 और ये आया 150 एग्जैक्टली ऑन 150. दैट मीन्स नो मिस्टेक, परफेक्टली डन. ओके, ये हुआ 150. देख सकते हो आप 150 में लाइन जाके एक्सटेंड हुआ. So You can check the final angle. ये हुआ 150, यहाँ से 150 तक you can see. This is how we end up drawing the pie chart from the given pictograph or the given data or the given table. This is winter. So this is how you draw. Hope you have understood. This is the, when you are asked to prepare central angle, this is how you have to prepare the table. टेबल बन गया. टेबल बन जाने के बाद आप इस एंगल, अकॉर्डिंग टू द एंगल you will draw the table.